Piyush, if you can also take us through the 20-point plan that the MHA along with the Delhi government are all set to, in a way, implement in Delhi, because we are seeing a massive surge in the total number of cases, almost touching 8,000 cases per day.
Well, absolutely. We know that how there was a meeting also took place at North Block, and this meeting was chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and after that itself a slew of measures were also announced by central government to control the cases in national capital. Remember, in that meeting, top officials were also present of Health Ministry of central government and Delhi government. Delhi Police Commissioner was also present. So, slew of measures were announced soon after that meeting took place at Amit Shah's office. And what we are learning is that there could be some big decisions also will be taken by Delhi Chief Minister, because after that meeting which took place there at North Block, Arvind Kejriwal had also said that it's good that all the agencies are now working in tandem to control the rising cases of COVID-19 in Delhi, and he had also requested for more and more beds. Those were sanctioned by the Home Ministry. So Home Ministry and the Delhi government, central government and Delhi government, they are now working in tandem so that the cases can be controlled, and the number of people those are dying, these cases can also be controlled. So looking at what's happening in Delhi, this meeting has been called in. We know that how 5 testing labs of RT-PCR have already started functioning around the clock. Not only that, we know that how yesterday itself, the Ministry of Home Affairs had announced that there will be more additional beds at Shakur Basti railway station in train coaches. DRDO facilities have also increased the number of beds. Around 750 beds have been increased. So there are a slew of measures. Those were announced yesterday by the Home Ministry, and now central government and state government are now working in tandem, and that's why this meeting has also been called in which the opinions of these political parties will be taken by the Delhi government, and then they will reach on some sort of conclusion and some sort of decision. And what we also saw that how there was a demand also to shut some few markets where there was massive turnout of people. After that, we also saw that how people had rushed to the markets to buy to do shopping. But after that, we also saw that how the government had shown its interest in which they wanted to control, they wanted to manage the crowd. Now, finally, this meeting has been called in which what we are learning is that big decision is likely to be taken. The government is also of the view of taking the decision like they did in in curbing the number of people those are now coming there in marriages, because you know that earlier 200 people were allowed to attend marriage. Now that limit has been reduced to 50 people. So similar decisions are likely to be taken by the Delhi government. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of decision the government takes. We are right outside the Delhi Secretariat where the meeting will begin shortly.
All right, so shortly from now, we are expecting the all-party meeting to begin here in the national capital. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has called in for an all-party meeting to discuss the COVID strategy in the national capital. Decision has come after the recent spurt in the number of infections in the city.
Well, a few officials have now reached here from Delhi government. What we can see that that few ministers have also reached here at the Delhi Secretariat. It's going to be a very crucial meeting, because, like we were telling to our viewers, that all-party meeting will begin. Now we are being told that there are some BJP leaders. There are some BJP leaders who have reached here. BJP leaders have reached here. That's the confirmation which we are getting, that BJP leaders have now reached here. Ramesh Bidodi, who is also MP from Delhi, he has now reached here, and what we are learning is that any minute from now, leaders of different political parties, other political parties, are also expected to reach, and then this meeting will begin. Richa.